So here what we've got our traditional polyethylene that makes plastic bags, lasts for 1,000 years. Then we have our first grade of compostable films. So you can see here a local South Australian company using these for produce bags. And then here, this second generation of compostable shows you this product. So all of this is made here in Adelaide. But I wanted to show you this to just show you just how close compostable is getting to polyethylene. We now, in this factory, we now have the ability to produce whatever we want, pretty much, all the way down to this, which is our latest and greatest. So this film is grey on one side, black on the other, and so it's used as a weed matting for citrus and apple growers. When we start off with this resin, we then come over to the extruder. So this extruder here is capable of producing around 200 kilos an hour of compostable films. It's the most advanced one of its kind in Australia because it produces multiple layers of compostable plastic all at once. And if we come down here, so here we've got a product at its first stage. So we've extruded the product down there out of the resin that you've seen, and then we make it into one big tube. This tube then gets loaded onto one of our machines. So what this is doing is it's sealing and perforating the bag. And then the end result is compostable produce bags. So this bag is for a local butcher. The customer can use this bag, they take home their meat, then they put the bag in their caddy, collect their organics. The cycle continues. At BioBag, we're really proud of what we've achieved so far. In our short space, we've produced well over 100 million bags. That's 100 million bags that aren't plastic, and we don't have to worry about where they've ended up. In addition, we're creating jobs locally. So we've doubled in workforce since starting this project, and we're exporting our product all around Australia and also into Asia. We truly see South Australia as a leader in the environmental space. It's great to be amongst like-minded individuals, and I'm really proud of what South Australia is achieving.